Well, hi there, everybody. Good morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here on this Wednesday morning. It's shortly after 7 o'clock. Real quick, I'm just going to draw a quick circle in because Futurecast and these models aren't always exactly accurate on where exactly the best rain is or where it's actually raining ongoing right now. Well, right in here is where it is actually raining right now. So the Tri-Cities isn't seeing anything. Kearney had some rain earlier this morning, but the Tri-Cities not really seeing much. There are a couple of little dinky, little spotty showers here and there, but most of the activities right in here. In fact, as of the time of this recording, there is a severe thunderstorm warning in Custer County at this point, although that storm is in the process of weakening. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that circle. Let's go into the rest of the day. Showers and thunderstorms will lift towards north central and northeast Nebraska in the coming hours ahead. That's probably the best chance of rain and thunderstorms today prior to 5 a.m. or 5 p.m. Otherwise, partly to mostly cloudy around the area. A warm day, though, expected and becoming breezy with southeasterly winds picking up through the day. Then the focus turns to the west with the best chance of showers and thunderstorms over western Nebraska late this afternoon and into this evening. Severe weather will be possible, and once again, the best chance is about Highway 83 westward here, so the western third of the state. While there are some other smaller chances here and there in other areas, even the Tri-Cities, I'm going to go with the 20% chance of a thunderstorm today, but it is likely to stay dry. Those chances will continue after midnight, although they will weaken. The rest of us, just a slim chance. And in fact, most of the day tomorrow is dry. It will be a little on the windy side, still on the warm side. Hit or miss showers here and there, but a more widespread threat will move in from the southwest late in the day tomorrow, really by 2 or 3 o'clock in the afternoon. And then this will spread through the area, lifting northeastward as we head through Thursday evening and overnight Thursday night. Severe weather will be possible. Pockets of heavier rainfall. For some, still some much needed rain for those that need it. And then as we get into Friday morning, this is as far out as my model goes, as 1 a.m. Friday. So unfortunately, it doesn't go all the way into Friday here. But this will continue to lift northeastward, and there will still be chances of rain and thunderstorms in the forecast on Friday. The best chances will likely be over north central and northeastern Nebraska. So let's take a look at the severe weather threat. This is from the Storm Prediction Center. Now they'll have a new update that comes out here about 8 o'clock this morning. We'll see if it changes at all. As of right now, again, a low end chance here, a marginal risk this morning yet in north central Nebraska, and even a small chance later today. But the best chance of severe weather will be out west, where there is a level 2 out of 5 slight risk of severe thunderstorms. Large hail, severe wind gusts, and perhaps isolated tornadoes, all possible. Tomorrow, a widespread slight risk of severe thunderstorms, so a level 2 out of 5 risk here. Large hail and severe wind gusts are your biggest threat, but can't rule out an isolated tornado. And then for Friday, that threat will shift more to the northeast. Those areas under a marginal risk of severe storms, a slight risk, mostly just outside of the local 4 viewing area here. We'll see if that changes at all between now and then, since that is still a couple of days out. Highs today into the 70s and lower 80s, maybe not quite to 70 off to the northwest. Tonight a mild night in the 50s and lower 60s. Looking ahead to tomorrow, maybe a touch cooler. Highs from the mid and upper 60s out west to near 80 in the east. Cooler temperatures even yet in the panhandle of Nebraska. 50s and low 60s tomorrow night, maybe some 40s out west. And then looking ahead to your Friday, have more of a range in high temperatures from the 50s in the panhandle to the mid and upper 80s in southeast Nebraska. We'll go with the mid to upper 70s in the Tri-Cities. So for the Tri-Cities specifically, the next almost 36 hours, basically through 7 p.m. Thursday, it's just a slight chance of thunderstorms, a 20% chance. The chance will then really pick up Thursday evening and overnight Thursday night, especially around sunset and thereafter. So good chance of rain, thunderstorms, and some of that will continue into Friday. Beyond that, we'll see that chance start to get lower Friday night, and then the weekend we're just looking at slight chances of rain. Still warm over the next couple of days, a little on the breezy if not windy side here. Looking ahead to the weekend, again, those slight chances of rain. Mother's Day is going to be cooler. Still kind of mild, but cooler still on Monday again with the high around 70 degrees. So those are our 2 coolest days there, Sunday and Monday. The nights will be a little cooler as well. Not cold by any means, though. And then beyond that, Tuesday's kind of the beginning of our next warming trend, and it looks like we'll settle into a drier weather pattern as we move into next week, and it could also warm up some. As we get into the second half of May, we're going to start to see warmer and drier weather ahead of us here. So, real quick here, show you some of the long-range models. Again, this is the European model right away this morning, latching onto some of the thunderstorms, not doing the best job. And then more showers and thunderstorms developing out west later today, lifting northward, and then more later on tomorrow and into tomorrow night. That's our most widespread threat right in there. Friday, still a chance of rain and thunderstorms. Northern areas would have the best chance of it right there. Maybe some severe weather in northeast Nebraska. And then mainly dry through the weekend. Just a couple of slight chances of rain Saturday and Sunday. And then beyond that, not a whole lot. Really, it's going to be mostly dry through next week. Maybe later next week, we'll see. But that's a long ways out yet. And then the GFS forecast model, again, you see it there's this morning. And this isn't, it's not perfectly accurate by any means. But another chance later today, especially focused to the west. But this one's a little more widespread than most models are. And then here comes that really good chance Thursday night into Friday morning. Some of that lingering into Friday, especially in northern Nebraska, Friday into Friday night. And then going into the weekend, only slight chances of showers on Saturday and Sunday. And beyond that, again, not a lot of activity out there Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Maybe later next week, we'll see. All right. So there you go. That's everything you need to know. That's all I have for you for today. I will let you go with that for now here. So again, watch for a little severe weather if you live in northern Nebraska this morning, western Nebraska later today, and then later tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow night, a little bit better chance of showers, thunderstorms, and severe weather, and maybe some again on Friday as well. So with that, I'm going to let you all go, and I thank you all for watching on this Wednesday morning. I will see you all again on Thursday with all of the latest. Until then, take care, and God bless. Bye.